Hey there, my name is Sean and I'm the co-founder and CEO of EduSynch. And today I'm going to take you through a demo of one of our white labeled platforms that we built for the University of Auckland in New Zealand, as well as their custom test, and most importantly, the anti-fraud solution that we've layered on top. Now what you're seeing here is the login for the University of Auckland's custom platform. You'll notice that the URL is also customized and does not have any information on EduSynch at all. And upon logging in, we get taken directly to the customized test for the University of Auckland. Now, this is an English language proficiency test, but we can actually customize this platform for usage with any kind of exam, any content, and in any language. So just to kick things off here, I'll hop right into the test, see the disclaimer and the instructions, and now begins the anti-fraud process. First step, you have to hold up an ID, take a picture of it. Verifying that it's clear, my name and information is legible. I move on to the next step. Now you'll see a set of instructions. Now the way the anti-fraud system works is the webcam on the computer must stay on the entire time, and we use a layer of artificial intelligence to actually track if the user is cheating. Now the way this is done, if they leave the frame, a flag is raised. If they look away from the screen for too long or have their ears covered, a flag is also raised by the system. If you move your mouse to above or outside of the testing area, the system also tracks this and logs it. You also see a warning if that happens. I'll show you. And if you speak outside of one of the questions where you're intended to speak, the system also flags this. Now, the way this works is that the artificial intelligence platform actually creates a log of events that happened during the test. And if enough information is determined that in all likelihood the user is cheating, we'll actually have one of our staff members log in to review the events and really determine if the student was cheating. Another piece here is to not allow other people in the room with you. While you're doing your test, the camera will be randomly taking pictures so as to detect any kind of foul play. If one of our staff members does go in and review the events and determine that the user is cheating, we'll then notify our partner institution. The user will actually not have any idea until after the fact. We do not interrupt the test, and we do not even notify the student until we notify the institution first, who is then responsible for taking it forward with the student. Again, you must keep your microphone and your camera on the entire time, and then you can start your test. Now, as I mentioned, this is an English language proficiency test, but you can obviously use the test with any kind of content. See me here on the top right. This image is stationary and kept during the entirety of the test so that the user has an idea as to what the system is actually processing and recording. Now, as I mentioned, if you move your mouse above the testing environment, a warning appears here. This serves as a way to also scare students, but in the event they do open a new tab or window or leave the testing environment, that event is also flagged by the system and logged for further review. I think that gives you the general idea of how this works. So if you have any questions, please email me, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.